Yo, if you're doing these 5 things with your money right now, you're gonna stay broke forever. No cap. Let's fix that today. Look, here's the tea. 78% of Americans are living paycheck to paycheck. But here's the thing. It's not always about how much you're making. It's about these sneaky habits that are draining your bank account without you even realizing it. I'm gonna break down the 5 biggest money mistakes keeping you poor, and more importantly, how to fix them ASAP. So let's dive in. All right, habit number 1, and this is huge. Y'all are out here living without a budget. I get it, budgeting sounds boring as hell. But real talk, not having a budget is like driving cross country without GPS. You're just gonna end up lost and broke. Here's what happens. You get paid on Friday, you're balling for like 3 days, then by Tuesday, you're checking your account like, bruh, where did all my money go? Sound familiar? Without a budget, you got zero clue where your money's actually going. That $6 iced coffee every morning is $180 a month, fam. And those random Amazon purchases at 2 a.m. add up fast. The fix is stupid simple. Track every dollar using apps like Mint or YNAB. They're free and they'll literally show you where you're bleeding money. Once you see it on paper, you can't unsee it. And trust me, you'll think twice before dropping $50 on DoorDash for the 3rd time this week. Habit number 2, impulse buying. And listen, we've all been guilty of this. You're scrolling Instagram, see an ad, and suddenly you need it right now. Or you hit Target for toothpaste and leave with $200 worth of random stuff. Here's the reality. Every dollar wasted is a dollar that could have been making you money. That's not just cash gone, that's future wealth you're burning. And subscriptions are robbing you on autopilot. Netflix, Spotify, that gym you haven't seen in months. The average person has 12 subscriptions they forgot about. That's $50 to $200 monthly just vanishing. The fix? The 24-hour rule. Before buying anything non-essential, wait 1 day. Half the time you'll forget about it and save that cash. Also, cancel subscriptions you haven't used in 30 days. Right now, seriously. Habit number 3, and this one makes people uncomfortable, but you need to hear it. Not investing early. Most people think investing is for rich people or something you do later, but that's the lie keeping you broke. Real talk, invest just $100 monthly starting at 25, and by 65, you'll have over $350,000. Wait until 35 and you'll only hit $150,000. Same money invested, but you lost $200,000 just by waiting 10 years. That's compound interest. Your money makes money. Then that money makes money. It's the closest thing to a cheat code in real life. And before you say, I don't have extra money, start with $10. Apps like Robinhood or Acorns let you start with pocket change. Throw it in an index fund like the S&P 500 and let it ride. Don't day trade. That's how you lose fast. Slow and steady wins. Quick disclaimer. This is long-term investing strategy, not financial advice to day trade or gamble. I'm talking buy and hold. Here's the truth most people won't tell you. Most people don't fail financially because they're lazy. They fail because nobody ever taught them this. Well, now you know. The best time to invest was 10 years ago. Second best? Right now. Habit number 4, trying to keep up with everyone else. You see your boy with a new Benz, influencers flexing designer bags, friends posting from Bali. Suddenly, you feel behind. But here's what they're not showing. The debt, the maxed cards, the stress. Most people flexing online are broke in real life. There's this thing called lifestyle inflation. You make more, you immediately spend more. Raise, upgrade the car, bonus, fancier apartment. But you never actually get ahead. The real flex is financial freedom. Quitting a job you hate, not stressing about bills. Stop comparing your chapter 1 to someone else's chapter 20. Live below your means. Your future self will be chilling at 50 while everyone else grinds till 70. Last one, habit number 5, not having an emergency fund. And this one will absolutely wreck your life if you're not careful. Life happens, right? Your car breaks down, your laptop dies, you need a root canal, your dog eats something stupid and needs surgery. If you don't have emergency savings, you're basically one bad day away from going into debt. And here's where it gets ugly. You put it on a credit card. Now you're paying 20 to 25% interest. And that $500 emergency just became a $1,000 problem because you're stuck making minimum payments for the next 2 years. Financial experts say you need 3 to 6 months of expenses saved up. But real talk, if you've got nothing right now, even $500 will save your life. Here's how to start. Open a separate savings account, high yield if possible, so you're at least earning interest. Set up an automatic transfer every payday, even if it's just $25, you won't even miss it. Start small. $500 first, then $1,000, then work your way up to 3 months of expenses. This is your safety net. This is what lets you sleep at night. Don't touch it unless it's a real emergency. And no, that concert ticket is not an emergency. I'm talking medical bills, car repairs, job loss, that level of emergency. Once you have this fund locked in, everything else gets easier. Trust me.
All right, let's recap real quick.
Number 1, get yourself a budget. Track your money. Number 2, stop impulse buying. Use the 24-hour rule. Number 3, start investing today, not tomorrow. Number 4, stop trying to impress people. Live below your means. Number 5, build that emergency fund, even if you start with $20. Breaking just one of these habits can literally change your financial future. So pick the easiest one for you and start today. All right, real question. Which habit are you gonna break first? Drop it in the comments. And look, if you're still broke 1 year from now, it's not luck, it's habits. Change them today. Hit that subscribe button because we drop content like this weekly. No fluff, just facts that actually make you money. Let's build wealth together. Peace.